Have you ever wondered what would happen if you didn't eat for 16 hours every single day? It sounds intense, right? Well, I decided to take on the challenge. For 30 straight days, I committed to 16 to 8 intermittent fasting. That means an 8-hour window to eat and 16 hours of fasting. The results? Honestly, they were shocking and not at all what I completely expected. Stick with me, because I'm about to spill all the details on what really happens to your body and mind. So let's start at the beginning. Day 1 was tough. My stomach was staging a protest, and all I could think about was my next meal. The hunger pangs were real, and I was constantly watching the clock. I almost gave up, thinking, this is impossible. But I pushed through, drinking lots of water and black coffee to keep me going. By day 3 or 4, something strange started to happen. The intense hunger began to fade. It was like my body was adapting, learning to tap into its own energy reserves instead of constantly demanding more food. This is where it gets interesting. Once my body got used to the new routine, the first major benefit I noticed was a huge surge in mental clarity. You know that mid-afternoon brain fog where you can't focus? It vanished. In the mornings during my fasting window, my mind felt sharper and more focused than ever. It was like a switch had been flipped. Scientists call this state autophagy, where your body cleans out old damaged cells. It's like a spring cleaning for your brain and body, and I could genuinely feel the difference in my productivity. Now let's talk about energy levels. You'd think fasting would make you feel tired and weak, right? That's what I thought too, but it was the complete opposite. After the first week, my energy was through the roof and incredibly stable. No more of those energy crashes after a big lunch. I felt consistently energized throughout the entire day, from my morning workout to late afternoon meetings. My body was learning to use fat for fuel, which is a much more steady and reliable energy source than the quick sugar spikes we get from constant snacking. Of course, I know what you're wondering about: weight management. I wasn't strictly trying to lose weight, but the changes were noticeable. Without even trying to restrict calories during my eating window, I naturally started making better food choices. When you only have 8 hours to eat, you want to make it count with nourishing, satisfying foods. The result was that I felt less bloated, my clothes fit better, and I just felt leaner and lighter overall. It wasn't about drastic, overnight change, but a steady, sustainable shift. So after 30 days, what's the final verdict? Intermittent fasting was a game changer for me. The mental clarity, stable energy, and effortless weight management were undeniable. But it's important to remember that this was my personal experience. Before you start any new health routine, it's always a good idea to talk with your doctor to make sure it's right for you. If my journey has inspired you, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried intermittent fasting? What were your results? Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.